Hi fans, this message is for you. Well guys, thank you very much for your support. Support me this year. Was a tough, but you always there. You show that you always loyalty. I'm here relaxing. My kid is behind me in the pool. But it's coming in my mind to do it this video. I don't know why, don't ask me why. You know I never speak for the press. I never speak about my private life. But I want this opportunity to say the last couple weeks the press tried to say trash about me, that I have new girlfriends, day by day that I have new girlfriends, that I did this, I did that. Just leave me alone. Let me do it my work properly like I do it every year. Don't try to damage my image, because this is not gonna happen. So this message is for you guys. We're still together, day by day, month by month, year by year. Thank you guys.